All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my lifted Subaru WRX, and I'm going to cut right to it just so I'm not wasting you guys' time. So this is my lifted Subaru WRX, limited, so it's not a narrow body. I don't know what you would call it, but it is the limited. And I recently just did the timing belt assembly and all new belts. The only one I didn't replace was a stretch belt, but new alternator also. And the way I lifted it was 2-inch blocks. So a block, it just bolts to the top. I believe it's 2 inches. Yeah, 2 inches. And I had to shave them down because they were cheap. So they didn't fit exactly. So just make sure if you guys are doing this process, you would have a grinder or a, I don't know, it was a circular grinder. I was able to open up the holes. So yeah, that's how I did that. And for the wheels, I got these wheels from one of my buddies. He had a lifted Subaru and he just gave them to me. So 215 75 15, and that was my fitment. I'll give you guys a further away look, but I'm just trying to keep you guys this short, keep you guys updated, and people that want to see the lifted Subaru can see that. And I'll go more into what's going on with the channel. A little bit of rubbing. When I have it in the air, it goes, the caster pulls it this way, so you can't turn the wheels when it's in the air. So it's kind of hard to take the wheels on and off. Yeah, other than that, the only thing is my sway bar or my end link broke, and I'm rubbing over here. You can see in there. Oh, also I had to cut this a fair amount. So like this is like where it was like stock, and then I had to cut this so it's not like perfect. So like usually it'd curl, and now it's like straight from there, and I had a hammer in here. Other than that, that's the process. I know there's not a lot of videos about how to do this, and I got the roof rack. So for everything, I mean the wheels were free, and the blocks I think were like less than $100. And the roof rack I think was, it's not the OEM one, but it's like OEM style. It's like D-spec or something. So just taking a thumbnail, but yeah, that's the look of it. I think it looks pretty good. And with the end link broken, I can flex it a little bit, which is kind of funny. But yeah, I think I need adjustable sway bar end links because I did not correct the suspension geometry. All right, and if you guys actually know my channel, then I'll tell you guys what's been happening. So the BMW is all done for now. The only thing that I haven't done yet was the 135 front brakes, and I have the rear all done. And then at the next summer, because I'm not gonna touch it during the winter, it's gonna sit. But next summer I'm going to do everything in the front. So the front brakes, wheel bearings, bushings, everything. Well, I already did engine mounts and trans mounts, but like arms and whatnot, tie rods. But as it sits, I'll show you guys some more. I know I feel like I'm doing just update videos and not wrenching anymore, but that's just because I've realized how much faster things go. Let me show you the car while I talk. So yeah, I realized how much faster things go when you're not recording, and I've fallen into the cycle of stop recording. I don't have the keys for it right now, but Sparco Sprint steering wheel, extended handbrake, welded 364 diff as an X3, M-Tech 2 front bumpers, and then I have the trim, ZHP trim, and yeah, M56 valve cover. The only thing, I like the brakes. As you can see, this thing's been sitting. So it's 135 brakes, and I painted them to look like F80 M3 brakes. I just put the M logo. I haven't decided what I want to do for the front yet, but yeah. Mostly just, I haven't shown the lifted Subaru, so that's probably what the title is going to be. Yeah, also I have aftermarket taillights, LED taillights, but they'll probably look crazy. yeah, that's my cars for now. I sold the convertible. Convertible's officially not mine. So these are just the only two for now. And then maybe get a truck soon. But yeah, I haven't been doing much, honestly, behind the scenes. Everything that's been done to this, I showed already. And I think, yeah. And then everything that was done, or I did a cooling line, but that was just me messing something up. And then whatever was done to this, I didn't show, but it's just bolting blocks onto the top of the strut. So that's really easy. But I'm probably gonna take some more videos, hopefully, of this thing when the winter comes, just driving it around and whatnot. And I'll give you guys updates. But other than that, it's keeping this video short. And oh, and I also changed my name to my real name. It's no longer Dancing Dragons. So if you guys know me for that, then that's who I am. But I'm still keeping the Dancing Dragons thing going. Just want YouTube more personal, you know?